AZ YouTube channel.
Stay tuned for more.
Hey everybody out there, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today with another episode of What's in Your Garage. Today I'm at a buddy of mine's house down in Goodyear, Arizona, and this guy has got the coolest freaking Dodge Aspen you would ever want to see. Yes, I said Dodge Aspen. This thing is off the chart cool, so let's see if he's home, because I did call and confirm earlier. Hey John, you around there? Hopefully he's here. It's the right time. All right, try it again. All right. Cut. Perfect. All right, let's double check and see if he's here right now. I hope we have action here. I think we do. Is the garage door coming up yet? Not yet. There. All right. I like it when the plan comes together. I was getting worried there for a second here. No show me here, so maybe you went to Dunkin' Donuts or something like that.
Hi, Eric.
John, how are you, man?
Good, how you doing?
Good, bud. Good, good, good. Thank you so much. Yeah, good seeing you too, bud. Thank you very much for being on Eric's Garage AZ, What's in Your Garage episode today. And we're here to shoot this crazy Dodge Aspen.
Got it.
And looking behind you, we've got all sorts of awards here. Holy cow. Now you mentioned off camera last time we spoke about how many awards you have with this car so far.
328 trophies.
I'll be damned.
Since 1996.
328 trophies with this car that you're going to get up close and personal with since 1996. That's a whole buttload of trophies, and you're going to check out why here in just a second. All right, so a lot of people love the cold start videos. So can we, because we want to move it out of the garage so we can get some better pictures and better video of it, and then maybe go for a test drive with it. But in the meantime, can we get it started so people hear what this crazy orange crate is all about?
Got it.
All right, cool, man. Thank you. Stay tuned, because this is one of the coolest parts of the whole video, is getting an opportunity to hear a bad-to-the-bone car like this start up. So stand by. That's that open header sound we got going on there. Going to take it down the street so we can get a little bit better angles of it. Well, hey guys, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you, and I've got my buddy John here, and we've got this really super slick Dodge Aspen. And what year is this again?
1977.
1977 Dodge Aspen. And you don't see very many Aspens on the road, let alone in condition like this. This car has won how many awards, Sean?
328 trophies.
328 trophies. I mean, look at this car, man. I can see how it's won 328 trophies. It's a rare bird, first of all, Dodge Aspen. Secondly, this thing is like in immaculate, pristine condition. So was it like this when you bought it? Tell me a little bit about the car.
No, I bought the car in 1987 from a used car lot in Mesa, and it had 4 flats on it. It wasn't running, and I told the guy to give him $1,000 for it and to get it running. He got it running, and I bought it. I pulled out of the lot, and it broke down. The transmission fell apart on the car.
No kidding.
So it was a no warranty, so I was stuck with the car. So ever since then, I have a love-hate relationship with it. But
isn't that typical of Dodge Aspen though?
It is typical of a Dodge Aspen.
Yeah. Didn't they used to call the Aspen the Aspirin?
Aspirins, because it's always a headache. It's always a headache, and it still is today.
Yeah,
it still gives me a little fits here and there.
Yeah, sure.
But it's loved. I love the car.
This is cool. Now it's orange, and you shared a story with me about the orange crate. But what color orange is this?
It's a toner orange. It's you have to start with this color orange to make orange.
Okay. All right, so this is like the basic orange.
Right.
All right, very cool. Right on. I like that.
Super transparent.
Very bright too. It's awesome.
Right.
Yeah.
Super transparent. We had 3 gallons of paint to start painting it, and halfway through we ran out of paint. We had to jump into my buddy's car and go down to the store and get more paint made to get it the rest of the way painted.
No kidding.
6 gallons of paint.
Super transparent because it's a toner base.
Right. Right.
Okay. All right. All right. That's rather interesting. And obviously it's cleared and it's done up really, really well. And you said it wasn't in this condition, so
no.
What kind of work have you done to it?
I have done just about everything. I put a 318 stroker motor in it, and it's 318 318 stroker motor, and it's stroked out to a 340 cubic inch. I've had the car up to 8,000 RPM still pulling, and doesn't float the valves. It runs. I have a 4-speed. I got a 4,200 pound pressure plate, got aluminum drive shaft. I got an 8 1/4 rear end with 411 posi, gear drive, forged pistons, the biggest cam Iskenderian makes for it.
I'll tell you what, when you pulled it out, it's got some serious business.
It does got some serious business.
We're going to hear that serious business here again in a few minutes, but this thing just sounds so mean, wicked cool. It's just awesome. You want to pop the hood? Let's
yes, sir.
The engine? All right,
you got it.
Let's do that. In the meantime, look at this car. This is just absolutely cool, man. Boom, baby. That's what I call an engine. So tell us all about this engine. You said all this cams. Now is that polished right there?
It's polished. It's a polished intake, polished timing chain cover, polished water pump. If it ever goes out, I gotta go and get it repolished again. You know, polished alternator, gear drive.
Did you have the polish work done here locally, or did you do it yourself?
I did. I had the polish work done locally here. I traded for it. I traded some work. I was doing some powder coating at the time, and so I traded a guy to do some polishing, and I did some powder coating for him.
Wow, that's really
and did a little bit of trading on that.
Like the shine, the reflection from the car is shining in your eyes right there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
man.
it is. That's pretty cool.
I like that. Look at this. I like this. Looking at the air cleaner right there. Is this all your creation here to make kind of dressed up like that?
It's actually my buddy's. I just wanted it black, and he came up with the scallops. He said the motor looked too dull, so I tried using as much stock stuff at the time, limited budget at the time.
Yep.
So the stock valve covers, the stock brake cylinder, you know, everything else, and we just put stripes on it to dress up. Just something to dress it up to make it show worthy.
Wow, she looks like she's all dressed up, ready to go to prom. Now, what about this radiator? It does not look like a stock radiator.
No, it's a 4-core, custom-made radiator, custom fan shroud. I just had that put in like 9 months ago.
Did you?
The car was getting a little warm in the summertime.
Yeah,
so,
well, it does get a little warm here in Arizona in the summertime. So.
Now it runs 180 degrees.
Now, did you add a new thermostat to it to keep it down?
Nope. No, 180 degree thermostat, and they said it runs 180 degrees all day long in parades, in car shows, wherever you go in it.
No kidding. That's
180 degrees.
Cool. Now you said you do some cool cruises and whatnot. You just recently did the Route 66 cruise.
Yes.
So for those of us, so for my viewers out there that don't know where the Route 66 cruise is, that's about 2.5 hours up, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
3 hours up past Kingman, right?
Past Kingman and Seligman.
Like the northwest corner of the state of Arizona is where you were at, right?
Yes.
Wow. And
drove it up, and I think it's a total of like 600 miles.
No kidding.
And we actually won first place this year. We won Best Mopar.
Really?
Yes, sir. We won Best Mopar, and that was, I would say, 2,000 cars in Kingman.
Now, with the engine stroked out like it does, and hearing the cam like I did, off camera you said your fuel economy is like 25 miles per gallon.
Oh no, I wish that was it out. Yeah, that was some serious drafting. Yeah. But no, it's about 8 miles a gallon actually.
Holy damn! So as you step on the go pedal, your fuel gauge goes in the opposite direction.
Yes, it does. It does not. It does not. It loves gas, put it that way. It loves gas.
Wow, that's crazy.
And I can't run the cheap stuff. I got to run the high-end stuff because it won't run on the cheap stuff.
So you run like 91 octane, or do you have to go race fuel?
I go 91 octane, but I do the octane boost in it. I had to put octane boost because it's a 10.5 to 1 compression motor.
Oh, I see.
So it doesn't like, even the 91 octane, it doesn't like.
Oh, no kidding. Okay. All right. I bet it gets to be expensive after filling up.
It does. It does.
This car is so wicked cool. And
well, thank you.
You've done a lot of really neat awards. Let's take a look around the other side here. Now, I saw the shifter. So is that a B&M shifter, or what kind of shifter?
That's a Hurst shifter. With the B&M knob on it, but it's got line locks. That's what the line is down there. It's got line locks, so you can do burnouts, and you could you know, do some launches. I don't do that no more. Is my wife around? But no, I don't do that anymore. like I used to when I was younger.
Really?
And
Yeah.
but that's what that's for.
I'll bet this thing would shred some tires too.
It does shred some tires.
Yeah, and it happens to be, just saying, are you familiar with those smoke canisters that make the colored smoke?
Yes.
I happen to have an extra can of orange smoke grenade out there someplace in my garage. But you don't do burnouts anymore, so we're not even going to discuss this, are we?
Burnouts.
No, we don't. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go check this car out. We're gonna redo the start video of it, and I don't know if I posted it up at all or not yet, but you know, I gotta tell you guys, you're a really cool cat, John.
Well, thank
you
you
so much.
Thank
We
you.
met at a Mopar show here in Phoenix. It took us a while to connect. We wanted to get this video out to you guys before the summer heat got too much, and it's Memorial Weekend. So thank you to all the veterans who served and all the veterans who gave their lives for our country. We sincerely appreciate it. And I understand your son is an active duty.
Yes, he's the 10th Army Ranger, and he's serving out of Colorado Springs and Fort Carson.
Outstanding. Well, hats off to all you guys out there in Eric's Garage AZ land. So stay tuned for a little bit more, all right? In the meantime, I love you guys. Really, truly, I love you guys. Look at me. Is that sincere or what? So, a little bit ago, John said we're going to go for a ride in this car. We're going to go for a ride in this car, so stay tuned for more. See ya. All right, so if y'all can't hear that, that's open header exhaust. If y'all can't hear it, right? Open header exhaust and serious cam. Look at this thing. It's called an Orange Crate. Right? Now you said that's a Hurst shifter
Hurst,
with a
yes.
B&M handle on there.
Yes.
All right, cool.
Line locks.
Line locks, all right. So we can do burnouts and whatnot.
I don't do burnouts anymore.
No. He says I don't do burnouts anymore. Cowl induction up there. All right, you ready? We're gonna go for cruise. Now we're in a subdivision right now, so we can't cruise in this thing very fast right now. So just give us a few minutes, so we'll be right back with you. What's the coolest thing about driving this car?
The looks.
Yeah?
Got a lot of looks in
Really? Is it because it's orange, because it's an Aspen, or because it's loud?
Loud. I think it's because it's loud.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, we're running open headers right now, right?
Open headers right now.
All right.
And I can turn them off and on. I have electric cutouts. So
oh, that's very cool. Yeah, right on. I like that.
I'm letting it warm up pretty good. So.
Oh, yeah? Listen to that rumble, man. This is crazy cool cam. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, folks. Great day for going for a ride in this award-winning Dodge Aspen here in Arizona.
Go.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, I had a feeling when you turned the corner and stopped, we're gonna let her rip, Tater Chip.
Let her rip.
Nice job, man. That was some fun stuff. And I'll tell you what, there's not a better way to end the video than doing a rip down the road like that. So, John, as we wrap up, is there anything else you want to tell the viewers about this car, or the car culture, or the car enthusiast mindset?
If you got it, drive it.
There you go.
If you got it, drive it.
I love that, man. Right on. Well, you heard it here, folks. Dodge Aspen, award-winning, off-the-chart cool. I like to say in Eric's Garage AZ land, drive like you stole it, bitches. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks, John.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Yep. Many thanks to my friend John for letting us take a look at his beautiful 1977 Dodge Aspen right here on What's in Your Garage, only on Eric's Garage AZ. Stay tuned for more.